How to get unbanned from TikTok for being under 13. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and Chrome search Account Safety TikTok. Then click on Account Safety. Here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on How to contact TikTok if your account is banned or post is removed. Then you'll find all these options. Simply scroll down and click on Contact Us. You'll find all these options. Select an option for topic. Here, search for what you're searching for, account access. Click on it. Then category, select an option, recover account. Then add your username. Then account information, sign up date, select and sign up region. Linked email or phone number. Device used to log in. Linked account. Additional information, contact email, and for additional details, simply type in unban my account. I am over 13. You can add other information as well. After you do this, confirm everything and press on submit. After you do that, it will be sent to TikTok and TikTok will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to get unbanned from TikTok for being under 13. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.